click. Bracelet goes into my bag. Alright. Well, another Friday, and free for the weekend. Alright. One of these days. Spring air.
Sure.
It's nice.
Speaking of, I swapped out things on shared thing above our heads.
Oh.
It's temp though.
Hello, trash.
I thought. It's
Nate.
What?
Nate.
Nate. I was gonna say Jake or Timmy. I'm so sorry.
It's
I
alright,
suck
it's
at
right.
remembering names.
I mean, yeah, but
You're getting better.
same to me. Sometimes there are a lot of people in the metaverse, a lot of names to know. I'd like to have my Pokemon healed, please. Let's see. Healing, healing, healing. Oh, healed up? Alright. Thank you. Seems a little quiet around here. I guess a quick stroll in the outskirts wouldn't hurt. I just need the deep part, right?
Especially when we're on travel.
Recently found like a turmeric ginger tea. That was pretty good. I had that for the first time today. It was a good drink by itself. And turmeric's like a miracle freaking plant apparently. Like it fixes so much.
No, grab.
Oh, hey, Scratch.
You're being grabbed.
That.
Dang.
Anything going on lately?
Talking. If you want to talk to him, don't do it at the
No,
house.
not especially.
Somewhere in
You.
public, at least.
I'm alright. Grass is a lot greeny today. Oh, probably because maybe the cherry blossom season is almost over, I think. Is it? When does it end again?
Observe and looks at things, how things are going. Not either. Kind of observes things, and then sometimes they kind of like participate in certain things. Kind of like.
It's been a while since I had a stroll in the forest. Well, you see something very creepy, like a monster. Just turn around and bolt line. Who's that over there? Hmm. A little bit blurry. Looks kind of familiar. It's kind of hard to tell from this distance. This is the perfect backdrop for a selfie. Noticed a lot of dangerous things at these lakes. I got slapfish. Like a Gyarados, I think I heard of. Yeah, sometimes water Pokemon in there. Yeah, a lot of strange things happen around Atlanta, Osaka. That's for sure. Did make that list, and what was my list? Oh, wait a second. Hello there! Excuse me! Hello there.
Hi. What's up?
Is he doing right?
I'm doing okay. Why do you ask?
Hold on. Just, put it like a piece of paper, like a note. Oh, right. Oh, just give me a heads up that, that Mr. Wheel has selected you to be on my expedition team when we go into the mountains.
Oh. Wait, when do we leave?
Our adventure will be on Thursday the 25th at 9:30 Eastern Severia time. 9:30 Eastern Severia time? I'm pretty sure I wrote that down right.
Okay, so I'm technically not supposed to do any strenuous work because my person, who is my secretary, has basically barred me from doing so. But I'm gonna make it a special occasion for you.
Well, maybe you can, like, basically be on the back lines as support?
Well, that's what I do most times anyways.
Oh, yeah, just, we'll do
to make sure
more of
nobody
the...
dies.
Yeah, we'll do more of the force work. Let's see.
Okay. I'll watch and I'll take pretty pictures to make you all look cool.
Oh yeah. Also to maybe get a sidetrack of maybe find an ice stone.
I will also look for your ice stone.
Okay. Let's see. You need confrontation to help me get around. Let's see. You will also be paired up with. Just give me a moment. Just let me look at my little paper a little bit again. So Mr. Wheel has decided to pair also with Mr. Pillbug.
You mean Roland?
Yeah, Roland. Daroon, Nyx, and Shen.
Understood. I will do my best not to be upset with Darun.
Alright. Well, at least got maybe something that some Pokemon that could deal with ice and dark types.
I should have something.
Right.
No worries. Trust me, we will have a very secure and very thorough plan going in.
Right. Alright. Yes, sorry, this was kind of a bit out of the
Are
blue.
you prepared?
Yeah, I'm prepared.
Mhm. So, does that mean that you know who you're bringing on your team?
I just read you the list I'm bringing.
You list the list of people. What about Pokemon?
So far I've seen like ice and dark type Pokemon around the area.
Okay, so which Pokemon are you bringing to deal with them?
Let's see. So far I got like six Pokemon. 2 are not good against them. Let's see. I have a Riolu, which should be good since they know at least a Steel and Ice type Fighting type move. I know Oshawott can resist some Ice type moves, and I believe my Sandshrew knows a Rock type move that's good against Ice. So yeah, maybe those 3 might work.
Good. I'm glad that you're thoroughly planned out.
Although, it would be handy if I could find a Fire type, but no well. Well, it is what it is. I'll work with what I got.
Understood.
Yeah, I've been training
I
my
can always check
Pokemon.
at home and see if there's any fire types that I have. Maybe I can lend one to you.
No, they're yours. I'll deal with whatever I have.
Understood.
So yeah, next week, get ready. And make sure to, I guess, start with the slow exercises to help get you warmed up.
I will make sure that I'm thoroughly warmed up.
Thank
I
you.
promise. Of course. Now, I'm gonna get back to my walk. I was looking around for Rochelle and I didn't find her anywhere.
Oh, okay, yeah. So yeah, see you around.
Take care. Be careful.
You too.
that makes sense.
Sup?
Yeah.
Hey, Nate.
Stop. Nate the Great
When the crush
on
of my
their way
voice broke.
to go do cool things every day.
Nothing matches. Literally, none of it matches.
Bruh.
The invasive species
Hey, can you give me like,
again?
canister of like whatever magical energy source you can pump in there? Look, okay, I will say I may or may not have helped them out. Yeah.
Isn't your whole thing pretty much just like the equivalent of like technology but magic?
Listen, as I told Patty yesterday, the French case is not good for you.
How about some Pepsi? Is that what it is? Here it is.
Wait,
Yeah.
what do you think is normal for Tesla coils?
I was like, don't like normal Tesla coils only generate nearly as much as like a taser or some shit?
Oh, you're talking about the
And
no.
done.
Yeah. Like when someone has a Tesla coil, they're calling on the power of thunder. Or lightning, rather. Sorry.
Wait, no. Need some more.
Fucking damn it. Why does it have to be a problem today?
Seems like Pepsi's a very off-brand product of Pepsi. Who would have thought?
Food stealer is acquired. We're taking him back to the forest.
Hmm.
Don't worry about it.
Huh?
It's fine.
Not gonna ask. Nice and refreshing.
I mean,
Like, the mechanism you are describing is pretty much the same as a fucking is the same thing as a fucking chamber and magnet. They just do that at that point. Raw black powder is actually more explosive than the smokeless shit because it's a lot more concentrated, hence why the smokeless shit exists.
Hmm? Hmm.
Hi Nate. Also, bye Nate.
Bye.
Alright, somewhere.
Hmm.
You have a good one.
Mm-hmm. Something going on or what? Probably best maybe stay around here, this area for now until it's all cleared up. 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Yeah, it definitely seems quiet today. Maybe. Quick run the city will do. Bracelet on. Portal crystal on. Alright. Time to get some sleep.